This is the second part of the chapter, chemical elements. Okay, discovery of the elements. The earliest civilizations isolated 12 substances: gold, silver, lead, copper, tin, iron, carbon, sulfur, antimony, arsenic, bismuth, and mercury. And later on, it was proved that all of these 12 substances are elements. In 1669, phosphorus was isolated from urine, and in fact, phosphorus was the first element whose date of discovery is known. And by 1746, cobalt, platinum, and zinc had all been discovered. Around 1808, Davy, an English chemist, used electricity from the recently invented battery to break down compounds, thereby isolating six additional elements, namely sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, barium, and strontium. And by 1895, a total of 73 elements were known. During the next 3 years, the noble gases, namely the helium, neon, krypton, xenon, were discovered. In addition to the naturally occurring elements, 26 synthetic elements have now been created. So here is a chart that shows the discovery of the elements over the period of time. Okay, so around 1650, Boyle discovered 12 elements, and around 1775, Lavoisier discovered about 22 elements, and between 1800 and 1850, Davy discovered 45 elements, and Mendeleev discovered 63 elements, and Curie discovered 82 elements, and most of them are actually radioactive. And 26 between 1900 and now, we have 26 synthetic elements. Okay, occurrence of the elements. The human body has about 65% of oxygen and 18% of carbon, and the Earth's crust is about 47% of oxygen and 27% of silicon. The analysis of electromagnetic radiation from space indicates that the universe consists of about 75% of hydrogen and 24% of helium, and the other elements are about like 1%. So basically, Earth's atmosphere is going to have 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and about 1% of argon. And Earth's core is actually 85% of iron and 15% of nickel. Okay. So here is the breakdown of all the different elements, and you can see that 74% of the mass of the Earth's crust is composed of only two elements, which is oxygen and silicon. Okay, now atoms. The individual units packed in a repeating pattern. Noble gases that occur as single atoms. Diatomic